So, hi Anisha, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. And how are you, sir?
I am fine. Thanks for asking, Anisha. Okay, so my first question to you is tell me something about yourself.
Okay, sir. Good evening, sir. I'm Anisha. I'm from Thrissur,
Mhm,
Kerala.
mhm.
I did my graduation and master's in physics.
Okay,
And according to my family, there are three members: my father, mother, and myself. My father is a businessman, and my mother is a homemaker. And my hobbies are rearing fishes, ornamental fishes, making flower arrangements, gardening, cooking.
okay,
That's all about myself.
okay, cool. Can you just add some achievement of yours?
Okay, okay. I would like to be a teacher. So I started being a teacher from nearby my tuition classes. So
Mhm.
uh, as an achievement for a teacher means good grades and thinking of the subject for the students changes. So
Okay,
I think that's the biggest achievement for me, sir.
okay, cool. Then why do you want to go for Byju's, Anisha?
So, sir, this is a wide opportunity
Mhm.
when I joined for Byju's because to improvise myself and to explore myself also. And this is a growing company. So I can
Okay,
interact with different kinds of students and different thinking and different knowledges. So that will
okay,
help me to improve myself and
okay,
to see variety way of different ways of teaching also.
okay, cool. Okay, so I have seen many candidates who apply for BDA role in Byju's. Okay, so why do
Okay.
you want to go for this particular job role of success specialist? Why not BDA? BDA is a good job role. You're getting a handsome salary in BDA. So why not BDA?
Sir, I'm a passionate to be teacher. So
Okay.
when I teach someone or mentoring someone, I feel so
Mhm.
happy to meet myself,
Okay.
and that will help. Sorry, sir. And so I would like to be passionate and work for it. So
Okay.
that's why I
Cool.
choose this profession, sir.
Okay. Your answer brings me to one important question in this interview. That is a basic difference between mentor and teacher. What a mentor is and what a teacher is. Are they both
Oh,
same or are they both different? On what difference they all have in together?
um, mentor and teacher is there is a vast difference, sir. Because a
Okay.
teacher means sometimes teaches a subject or something like that. What he or she takes, that is the only one thing that a student can understand. But mentor
Okay.
means he or she will helps the student to her life also.
Okay.
Some mental stresses or are different types of mental stresses are also in the students. So
Okay.
a mentor can improve himself and achieve his goals also, sir. So I think
Okay. But you mentioned at the beginning of the interview that you want to become a teacher, right? So
yes.
in mentor, when you become a mentor in Byju's, then you don't get an option to teach in Byju's. Okay. You can guide students, definitely get in touch with the students, but you will not teach the students like on a blackboard or on somewhere. Okay. So why do you want to become a mentor? If you are a good in teaching or you are a good teacher, then go for teaching roles.
Sir, if you're a good teacher, I earlier told you that just a teacher means teaches the subject only. If you're a good
Okay.
teacher, then
Hmm.
he or she will be a good mentor also.
Okay.
Such persons are we are told we say as good teachers.
Okay.
So I
Cool.
think if you are good mentor, and she or he can be a good teacher also. So I choose
Okay.
this post now because I can I can improve how to be a best teacher. So from this
Okay.
mentoring session, so I can
Okay.
understand different students and their thinking
Okay.
and
Cool.
their problems. So this will help me to become a good teacher.
Great, great, great. Tell me something about the job role of success specialist. What the job role is and what all jobs you will do in Byju's. if you get this particular job role?
Okay. Mainly, I have to analyze the students and problems. That means what are the struggling problems in
Okay.
them in studying in certain subjects
Okay.
um, or in academics also. So I would
Okay.
like to and by analyzing their academics and issues, I have to introduce them. Sorry, I have to.
Mhm.
I have to. Sorry, sir.
Okay,
Mm,
no issues. Okay. So I'll tell you one thing. Okay. The job role is basically not to handle students. Okay. Because students are something that you can handle easily. The job role is to handle parents. Okay.
yes,
Because
that's what
parents are
I
the
want to
ones,
say, sir.
they'll
But
be the one who will question you with everything. Okay. Whatever you do, right or wrong, they'll definitely add a question. Okay. And they want explanation that why you did this, why you did that. Okay. So your focus should be the handling the parents. Okay, because the students are already good and matured. Okay, they can learn things. Whatever you say them, they'll learn. They'll not ask you a single question. Okay, but parents will definitely ask you questions. Okay, in today's session we'll have some questions regarding that also. Okay, so that we'll discuss in details. Okay, but first I want to know from you something that is not mentioned in your resume.
okay, huh? I didn't
Tell
get
me
you, sir.
something that is not mentioned in your resume.
I didn't. Okay.
Got my
Mm,
question?
I get you, sir.
Yes, go ahead. Tell me some points, one or two points that is not mentioned, not there as a skill or as anything in your resume.
Okay. I have I have a capacity to understand the feelings the child goes through now. So,
Okay.
as a mentor, it is a main important or main thing that mentor to need. So
Okay.
that's a good skill. I think that's a good skill for this post. And
Okay.
also, I can handle any situation.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, and also, mm,
Okay, cool, cool. Got your point. Okay. So whatever you wanted to mention, I got your point. Okay. So now we'll have some questions in which I'll be the parent and you will be the Bauju's counselor. Okay. So you'll try to convince me, okay, with everything, whatever questions I'm asking you, just try your level best to convince me. Okay. My first concern is being a parent. You gave me a call after 10-12 days, okay, and you asked me, sir, how are you and how are things going in Byju's, okay, with Byju's product. Okay, so I was very angry with you. I told that when I took Byju's, at that time you told me, you committed me basically, that every day mentor will call you, mentor will ask you, will guide you with everything. In 10 days I have not received a single call from mentor. Okay, I was waiting that mentor will call because initially I was having some issues with the application, how to use this, how to use that. But mentor has never called me. Okay. If this service is there from Byju's, I will never take Byju's. Okay. Because mentor service is pathetic. No mentor calls you, no one will ask you how things are going. If you have issue, you have to call mentor. And then also they'll not respond the call in one or two go. They are just VIPs in Byju's. Okay. So that is the reason I don't want to take Byju's anymore. Okay. So I'm very angry with all these things. Okay. So how do you settle me down with this?
okay, ma'am. I'm sorry, sir. I'm so sorry to say that I couldn't attend the call at that time because there were some network issues and some
Every day. Network issue every day.
no, ma'am. So I couldn't.
It's not about you. It's not about you. It's about everyone. Whoever are mentors in Byju's, okay, there's no fixed mentor for one candidate. There are different mentors. Okay. So no one has given me a call in this 10 days.
Sometimes it may be issue of the app something because it was sometimes updating time.
See,
So
I'll tell you one thing. You have 15 days of refund policy in Byju's, right? And this has been initial 10 days of mine. Okay. in this initial 10 days, no one has called me, right? How can I trust that in coming months or coming years, mentors will call me regularly? Okay. Because my first experience is very bad with Byju's. I saw all these things, and I was frustrated, literally, that no one is giving me a call, no one is responsible in Byju's. Okay. So I just want take Byju's back from me, refund the money back to me. I will take something else, Vedantu, or I'll take anything apart from Byju's, no problem.
Sorry, sir, I don't know how to deal with this
Okay.
situation.
Cool. Okay. Okay. So now I have next question to you. Suppose you are you are an employee in Byju's now, okay? But the manager which you have got, okay, that is very annoying kind of person, okay? He don't like you, okay? So whenever you are going to the manager and asking something, sir, I want to add this, I want to add that, okay? He just says, don't give me suggestions, okay? Just do your work properly and don't give me advices because I am senior to you. I know how to handle situation, okay? And whenever you ask for something, some help, he denies. He's just like, do your work your way, I will not help you. Okay. He's very annoying. Okay. And he just want you leave this job. Okay. He is wanting that you leave this job. Okay. And we'll hire someone else. Okay. Because of n number of reasons. Okay. So now, how do you handle the situation with your manager? What
Uh,
approach will you follow? Suppose you want to make some change in Byju's, okay, and that change is very relevant, very important. That will definitely boost the company's revenue also, okay. And you want to like inform to the manager, but manager is not listening to you. He's just saying, okay, go from here. Don't give me suggestions. I'll do my way. All that things. Now, what do you do?
uh, First, I will ask my best colleague and what to
Okay,
do next. So
okay.
next,
The
I
colleague
will.
is also a person who is working with you in the same rank, okay. So he
Okay.
cannot give you suggestions, right? And you
Okay.
have to take your own decision, okay. Be your own like person and take your
Hmm.
own decision. How do you handle it?
Um, I will.
Okay, no issues, we'll discuss in the feedback session. Okay,
Okay.
my next question to you is, suppose I give you 1 crore rupees, okay, and I give you a chance to give changes in Byju's, okay, because the changes is much required in Byju's, okay, because of improvement of application, okay, as you are a teacher, so you know better that what things can be added, okay. So in this 1 crore rupees, what you will do? You are the boss now, okay? Don't have to ask anyone where to invest the money. Whatever you want, you can invest. So what ideas do you have to invest 1 crore rupees?
I will improve by applying some more exams, how to prepare some more competitive exams related to science papers like
Okay,
CSIR, NET, GATE, TIFFers,
okay,
and classes, regular classes for degree and PG students
okay.
based on
Regular
the,
classes,
I mean, like tuition.
tuitions, okay, for
Tuitions
UG and
for
PG students.
UG and PG students, those who can't
Okay,
understand the science subjects or arts papers.
okay.
Uh, and with
So how
problem
much cost you will invest in this particular thing? How much amount you will invest
um,
from 1 crore rupees? How much will you invest in all these things? A rough
1 crore,
idea. I just want a approx idea.
1 crore to get
Okay, what
best
you will invest in this?
platform, to make a best platform for the students. So I will
Okay, so
send.
you invest whole 1 crore rupees in this only.
Yes, because we need good teachers and
So
good
we have good
facilities.
teachers, right? In Byju's, we have good teachers. We have best teachers actually in Byju's.
But when we start new train classes, so we need more than this, because we need
Okay,
sometimes we need experienced professors who are leading with a retirement life with high knowledges.
okay,
So if we can attract them by sometimes money. So I will give the small
okay.
money.
Cool. Okay, cool. Got your point. Okay. My next question to you is, suppose I am a parent of a student who is in class fourth. Okay.
Mm.
So I am calling you, okay, and I'm complaining you that when I took Byju's, I thought Byju's is having every subject. Okay. But social science, Hindi, computer is not there in Byju's. You are only giving science and maths for class four students. Okay. So now for social science, computer, and Hindi, I have to take next tuition. Okay. I have to invest more money for that. Okay. So that is my complaint. I thought that that is a complete package of everything. Okay. But might be I have misunderstood things, or the employee who was telling me things that might not have explained me anything about this. Okay. So now I just want a refund for this. Okay. I will not take Byju's if you are not having social science, Hindi, and computer. Okay.
Mm.
And I want a refund of my money. Just refund the money, and just I'll choose something else apart from this.
Mm.
So now, how do you stop me?
Um, Science and max subject, we chose science and max because these two subject needs a visualization capacity. Most of the students those have no, I think not have the visualization capacity. So
Mhm,
if we use this platform, he can
mhm.
understand what the real meaning of the science terms and mathematical terms of, and how it is applicable for our life, and how the scientists improved our life by this applications. So I
No,
will
see, I
say,
understand your point, but my child is doing good in science and maths. He's scoring a good amount of score. Okay. But he's weak in computers. He's weak in Hindi. He's only passing in computer. So might be possible in next class he'll fail in computers and Hindi. Okay. So I want a proper guidance for that as well. I cannot rely on science and maths because he's doing well in that. So what help can you do in this situation?
um,
Yes, go ahead.
I can say that I can give the suggestion to my head, and if
But that is a long process, right? Once you give a
yes,
suggestion, then you'll apply in 1 or 2 years. Okay. So my child will pass class fourth and fifth also. So why should I wait for 2 years? I have given the money right now. I want the service right now. Why to wait for 2 long years? Will you wait if you be in my place? Will you wait for 2 years after investing your money? You won't, right?
no.
So why
Sir,
should I wait?
I don't know, sir.
Any idea? Try. Try to have an approach.
Okay, sir. Mm.
You might be wrong, but that's also true. Okay, you can
But
say a wrong answer also.
language subjects and socials. That's is marks. If the students have the marks, low marks in science and sorry, social science and languages, that means he is
Hmm.
not ready to read. So
Hmm.
the reading habit can be made by the parent or
Hmm.
the teacher who took in the school.
Okay.
It's an easy thing. So if you
Okay.
take some effort to your son, that will be there will be change in the his marks also. But if you
Okay.
took an effort in science or maths, there will no changes as you study in Byju's apps.
Okay.
So
Cool.
I think if you lose this chance, and then you will lose your bright future of your son. So
Okay.
you can choose your way.
I understand, but I'll go somewhere where I'll get all these things, right? In the same amount of money what I'm paying to Byju's. Okay. In this particular amount, I can get all the subjects. Okay. So my concern is basically why to invest somewhere where I'm not getting returns of all these subjects. I have multiple sources of education, right? I can invest
Yes.
somewhere else. So why to go for a long investment only for science and maths? That is a hectic thing for me, right?
That's what I said because max when we move to the higher classes, we need
Hmm.
more visualization, more thinking, a higher order thinking
So
like that.
I'll do
So
one thing. Right now I'll discontinue Byju's. When my child go to a higher classes, then I'll take Byju's. In class seventh
no,
or eighth, I'll take
if
Byju's.
you build a home, without the correct basement, then is
Okay.
this building is long lasting or break up fastly?
Sorry, come again.
If you build a home or a building, if basement was not correct,
Okay.
is it long lasting building or long
No,
lasting?
no,
No,
not at all.
that will happen to your son.
Okay, cool. But what about the rest of the subjects? If he's failing in that, so how will I manage all these things? Because I don't have time to teach my child. So how do I manage all that things? You are right. I am not saying you are wrong. You are definitely right.
I
The
can
base is
understand.
good. The education is good. The approach is good. Teachers are good. Everything is good in Byju's. I am happy with that also. That's why I took Byju's, right? Because I like the way of approach, what you
Yes.
follow. Okay. But I am concerned about rest remaining subjects because I cannot focus on that. I am a working person. I don't have time. Her mother is
Yes.
also working person. She don't have time. Okay. So what about rest subjects? How to manage?
I think first for languages, just start with some short story. Give some short story books or something like him, so he will
Okay, tell
interact
me
with
one thing. Can your mentor teach him two, three things like English and all?
the. Okay.
You're a mentor, right? So
Yes.
you're a mentor, right? So if I tell you to teach my child Hindi and computers, will you be able to teach him?
Oh yes.
You will do that, right?
Yes. Because
Okay.
for as a mentor, my student,
So
I want to do
do
best.
one thing. Do one
Huh?
thing. Science and maths I learn from the application,
Huh?
and computer, social science, and Hindi. You can teach him, right? So cover things by yourself.
Sorry,
Okay.
sir, this is not applicable in Byju's.
But you told that you'll cover. You told right now that you will do that.
Sorry, it was
Then
my
why you
mistake,
denying?
sir. It was my mistake,
That
sir.
was a mistake. Okay, cool, cool. Got your point. Got your point. Okay, no problem. It happens. Okay. Okay. So now tell me, like I think the questions are done regarding the technical round. Okay. So now I will be asking you something regarding to your personal life. Okay. Tell me three things that your family likes about you the most.
Madam, please.
That family likes about you the most.
Family.
Your family likes about you the most. Got my
Mm,
question?
yes, sir.
Tell me.
Uh, I'm a caring person,
Okay.
and I can understand the feelings of my parents,
Okay.
and also I always try to reach them as they need me a lot. So,
Okay. Cool. Okay, cool. Okay. So are you married or are you single?
single.
Single. Okay, cool. Okay. So now we'll have some technical questions. Okay. So I'll be asking you some part of academics also. Okay. In this. Okay. So my first question to you is, what is Newton's second law of motion?
Rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the applied external force on it.
Okay, cool. What is the formula of that?
F is equal to dp by dt.
Okay, cool. Okay. If I give you option to change the color of sky from blue to any color, whichever you want. So which color you will change?
Pardon, please, sir?
I give you a chance to change
Uh,
the color of sky.
uh,
Okay, it is blue
okay.
right now. Okay, so
Okay.
change to any other color you want, any color of your choice. So which color you will change and why?
Mm, white.
White. Why white?
Because white means, or if you say in most of the cases, white represents the peace of mind. So, in
Okay,
this current
peace.
situation, everyone is making some issues, sometimes
Okay.
in between the countries, sometimes in between the states, or
Mhm.
sometimes in between the districts also.
Cool.
So,
Cool.
um,
Got
to
your
show
point. Got your point.
peace of
Got your
mind. So
peace,
I
peace,
don't.
peace. I got your point that white is the color of peace. Okay. My next question to you is, what is the basic difference between ratio and fraction?
Ratio and fraction.
Yes.
Um, Ratio means just a proportionality.
Proportionality. Okay.
But fraction means as a finite part. That means 1/4 of
Okay.
something. 1/4 of cake means that's a 1/4 part. That's a fraction. Sometimes a
Okay. And what
fraction
is
is
ratio?
a ratio.
What is ratio?
Ratio means
Define ratio.
define ratio.
Yes.
This proportionality. That means, for example, if a number of persons in a working place, if there are 10 persons in a working place and work, they complete their work in 2 days. If the number of persons increases, that means it becomes 20, then the completion time is 1. So when the number of person increases, the time will be reduces. So such proportions are represented as the ratios
Okay.
to evaluate the sometimes number of people or sometimes the number of days, like so.
Okay. Okay. So what is the basic difference between prime number and composite number?
Prime numbers means the number can be obtained by itself, like 2, 3, 5, 7 also.
Cool. What is
Composite
composite
numbers,
number?
the numbers which are not prime numbers are composite numbers, and it can
Okay.
be formed by some any numbers like 6. So multiple of
Okay.
2 and 3, and 1 into 2, 1 into 6 is also 6. So such numbers are.
Okay. 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 So how many states are there in India, and how many UTs are there?
Sir, please, how many
How
states?
many states are there in India, and how many UTs are there?
UTs means
Union territories.
28 states are there,
States.
and
Okay. And how many UTs are there?
I don't know, sir.
UTs, you don't know? Union territories. You're a teacher, right? You should know. But how many union territories are there in India?
Sir,
Okay. You know the capital cities, capitals of some cities. If I name some states, can you tell me the capital of that particular state?
I will try, sir.
Okay. Capital city of Bihar,
I don't know, sir.
Uttar Pradesh,
No, sir, I don't know.
Madhya Pradesh,
Bhopal,
Bhopal. Okay, cool. Great. Okay. Tamil Nadu, you might be knowing.
Tamil Nadu, Chennai,
Yes. Chennai. Karnataka,
I don't know, sir.
Assam.
I don't know, sir.
Okay, cool. Cool. Okay. Got your point. Okay, so my next question to you is, why should we hire you?
Okay, sir. From my personal experience, when I joined for, when I took physics, I was not able to, I was not ready to understand the physics, because my max tutor told me that you just go for it, and you will, you want to be teacher, so you have a different way of teaching style, so you can be a good teacher in physics. And I love max problem, so that's why it will help you a lot in physics. That's why I
Mhm.
chosen this physics, but I didn't get any idea about physics after my master's. But when I joined for NET exam, I could understand what the real physics is. So I was in a very difficult mental state at that time. So at the age of 23. So at the age of 6 to 17 years, students are coming in front of me. So I can understand the feelings of them. So
Okay.
I can understand what the struggles that they are going through. So I can
Mhm.
improvise themselves, because I have a lot struggled last 2 years. So that's why if you hire me, I can improve the mental strength also.
Okay. And what salary do you expect from us?
30,000.
30,000. Why 30?
Why 30?
Why? I mean, I asked you salary expectation. You can say 50 also. Then why you told 30?
But I think 30 is enough for me because I am not much best now. So I have when I
Suppose
start.
we suppose we want to start your career with 20 in our company. Will you be able to do that?
No, sir.
No. Okay. And if we give you a bond of 2 years, suppose at your salary, 30,000,
Okay.
will you be able to sign the bond of 2 years
No,
with
sir.
us?
No, sir.
Why? Like, see, you
Because
told you want to be a teacher, you want to grow your career in our company. Why not bond then?
bond means this.
Okay, so
Bond
you
creates
mean that
limitation
you
for
can.
me. So if I get something else for me, so I have to join for that because I was preparing CSA NET exam.
Okay,
If I qualify this, I want to join for PhD.
okay, you want to apply for PSU. Okay, that means
Yes.
you are looking for a temporary job.
Uh, I can't say completely so because I didn't join here. So if I join and I feel better to me, then I will continue this. Otherwise, I may resign.
Okay, but with bond you will not like join the organization, right?
I didn't
If
get
we
you.
give you a 1 year bond, a minimum bond of 1 year, then
Okay, I can because I can do for one academic year. It's good.
1 academic year you can do. Okay, take it, cool. Okay, so I think the interview is done now. Okay, and now we'll